Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Amber. I'm from Tech Sunrise Machinery. You might know us as VM Machinery. So today I'd like to introduce you to our newly launched product, VM1000. What if you could get a premium performance without premium price tag? Meet the VM1000, the most cost-effective power solution in its class. Now, I'll walk you through the setup so you can see exactly what the VM1000 offers. So come on, let's get you a closer look. Here's what you'll love. All service points are right here, no digging required. Air filter, battery, section filter, pressure filter, everything is positioned for fast access, so maintenance takes minutes, not hours. Also, take a look at the side cover. We made sure there's room for you to check the oil filter and dipstick without any hustle. At just 36 inches wide, this machine slips through gates, alleys, and jump side obstacles that may stop others in their tracks, but don't be tricked by its size. It's built with a tank cell chassis paired with 8-inch tracks to deliver solid stability and durability on any terrain. So that's all for today, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye-bye!